From the Canva homepage, go to the left-hand side, click More, and then click Content Planner. Here you can schedule out different posts. You can connect your social media accounts to Canva so that you can schedule them out. And you can also add your own custom events. So if I wanted to add a post or event for any particular day, I'm just going to add something for the 23rd of April. I can just click on this plus icon, or I can just directly click on the date itself. I can add whatever I want here. Let's save. And so now a new event has been created. If I click on the event again, I can edit it. I can change it to whatever, hit save. And if I click on it again, if I want to delete the event, I can click on the three dots, delete event. If I click on the plus icon, I can add any of my recent designs that I want, or choose a template here, or it can create a new design. Let's say, for example, I want to just add this design that I've created in the past, schedule it to a social media channel. So I can either connect it to, for this example, Instagram, but if I want to connect it to something else, I can connect it to any of these options here. Let's just say LinkedIn. So I can connect my LinkedIn to this here, connect Instagram, Facebook, what have you. So just basically select the channel here. And then once you select the channel, then you can just schedule it here. So you will have to connect your social media accounts to Canva to be able to use this feature. So you can schedule out posts or events in the future. You can just come to the top and click on whichever date you want by scrolling through the months here. And you can just start adding events. So you can also filter out events as well. If you come to the top, click on all events in this filter option here. Filter out either your social media posts or your events. And then in this filter here, select all calendars and then manage calendar preferences. Right now, it's showing all the major holidays around the world, and also includes social media holidays. So if you do not want to see these holidays, you can just uncheck them. And now the only things that are showing are your events. And if I want to add my own holidays, I can come over here, regional holidays, religious holidays. If something's not shown here in Canva, you can come and do that here. So you can select whichever country you're from. You can, select any of the drop-down options here and hit save. And then now my calendar preferences have been updated. So if you want to go back to today's date, you can do that by clicking on today. And now I'm back on this month's calendar. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.